Hi everyone, I'm Israel and I'm super excited to share my journey with you. Over the past 6 weeks, I've been working on an amazing project, an explainable AI model for credit risk assessment. This model not only predicts credit risks, but also explains its decisions, making it easy for users to understand and trust the results. When I started, I was at zero, just an idea and a streamlined approach. Now I've built a fully functional AI model that can transform how we evaluate credit risk. Here's a look at my progress. 301 lines of code written, over 72 hours spent, with 5 key breakthroughs, including feature importance techniques, explainable model selection, integration of explainability, validation of the explanations, and user interface for interpretability. Each step was a challenge, but it was totally worth it. Thanks for watching my journey. Winning this grant will mean the world to me and will take this project to the next level. Stay tuned for more updates.